Okay, say hi. सब आ गए ना? Yeah. I don't have a standing.
Yes, sometimes.
Whew.
This is meant to be a very easy run.
Tomorrow party what time? हाँ, every year Nike gives the party ना. कल कहाँ पे है बड़ीस्ता? Where it is?
That you get to know on station.
Just wait for a party now.
आप तो करके आए हो पार्टी सत्या देख के.
What Ram Gopal? I don't know. I mean, he's damn good, yeah. Ram Gopal, I don't know like, why people criticize him now. Wow.
Okay, shift to the next two lanes. Can you?
That's behind. We left this group behind finally. Bye guys.
गाइस डिवाइडर
ऐसे ही हुआ था उस दिन भी ऐसे ही हुआ था. Is the second goal or the first goal? Last 200. Okay guys, last 200.
Don't run fast.
Don't run fast, run slow. See a faster female here. चलो जवान.
Time 25 minutes 30 seconds. Distance 5.01 kilometers.
आज फास्ट क्यों नहीं भागा तू?
डांट पड़ गया भाई.
क्यों? कल कितना भाग रहा है?
5:30 का पेस था.
कल कितना भाग रहा है?
कल नहीं भाग रहा.
कल नहीं भाग रहा है. क्यों? रजिस्टर करना भूल गया. कम टू एक्सपो. केविन से मिलवाता हूँ. कम टू एक्सपो. कम विद कैश. यू आर रनिंग. बताओ तू मुझे बता. तू भाग रहा है क्या नहीं कल?
मैं नहीं भाग रहा हूँ. अनफॉर्चुनेटली एंट्रीज क्लोज हो गई थी.
कम टू एक्सपो. आई एम देयर. कम टू एक्सपो. सबको रजिस्टर करवाता हूँ. कम टू एक्सपो. आई गेट यू रजिस्टर. आना लेकिन एक्सपो में. हाँ रजिस्टर में आना. और कौन है? तुम लोग कल भाग रहे हो?
Resuming workout.
कल नहीं भाग रहे हो? क्या नहीं बताओ?
Pausing
नहीं
workout.
भागना है.
क्या?
रेस में करके भागना है.
हाँ चलो.
तो सुबह नहीं मतलब आज एक्सपो में कैश लेके आया जाना. 10 के अलाउड नहीं है. ओनली 21 and 42. हाँ 21 and 42. कम विद कैश. आई गेट यू रजिस्टर्ड. What distance you guys are running? You want to run 42. Tell me. What distance you are running tomorrow?
I'm not running. I didn't get registration.
Come to the expo. We'll get you registered 42. Female athlete. Yeah. हाँ. You also wanted to run 42, na? First 42. Tell me. You registered? I'm running 42 every year. 42. 240. But this time I'm not going to do 240. 240. But this time I'm not doing it.
They have 240.
I have a shoot. I have some shoots. Yeah.
No, but they have a 240 option.
2 hours 40 minutes runner full marathon.
2 hours
40 minutes runner.
I thought 240 kilometers.
नहीं 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 नहीं
Marathon.
नहीं 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 नहीं
No, but
The day that Nike got started, before that we started running. 2007. कल तू कितना भागने वाला है मुझे ये बता पहले, बाकी सब छोड़, इकड़े तिकड़े बोल बता। 5 किलोमीटर, कल 5 किलोमीटर का रेस थोड़ी है। तो ठेवला देता अभी निकालूंगा बाद में। तुम लोग कितना भागने वाला कल? 21। टाइमिंग एनी एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या? तब भी अंदाज़ा पीबी क्या दे रहा? पीबी क्या है?
टाइमिंग अभी तो मतलब ज़्यादा निकाला नहीं,
तब भी अंदाज़ा भागा रहेगा बेस्ट 10K का 2 आवर्स ना।
1600 मीटर रहेगा ये बंदा।
अच्छा आर्मी वाले भर्ती वाले, आर्मी भर्ती क्या है? शूज़ के लिए आए, शूज़ के लिए आए। मैं पहले बोला शूज़ नहीं मिल रहा सबको, मैंने कल ही मैसेज करवाया था भाई शूज़ के लिए मत आना, पहले ही बता। अभी शूज़ के प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग।
Resuming.
So today you need to make sure that your hydration is intact. Hydration all day long, mostly with plain water, some electrolyte occasionally, but mostly with plain water. Clear urine by the end of the day. Alright? Make sure that you have a composition which is majorly of carbohydrates in your meals today. Keep the meals simple, of course, what you have always eaten. No spices, no gassy foods. You don't want digestive problems. Recommendation, since your race starts very early tomorrow morning and you're going to probably wake up at 2 a.m., recommendation is you have your dinner at around 7:30 in the evening. And that's also when you need to stop your hydration, because an hour later or an hour and a half later, you will make your last visit to the washroom. You don't want unscheduled wake-up calls because you want to sleep, right? So 7:30 is your last meal. Keep your gear ready for tomorrow. Bib connected, everything. Same t-shirts, same shorts, same pair of shoes, same socks that you have used in your longest runs. Don't do anything new. No new foods to be tried on race day. For this evening and dinner. Morning, you have to make sure that when you wake up, you visualize your race. That's the first thing you have to do. Self-talk and race visualization. Close your eyes, mentally go over the entire course that you are going to be doing, whether it's the 10 kilometers, the half marathon or the full marathon. Make sure you are visualizing yourself all along the course. And after that, you need to hydrate, probably with around 300 to 400 ml of water as your first hydration for the day on waking up. Then make sure you eat a meal, a snack, whatever works for you, whatever you have done as your pre-run nutrition in your long runs. Alright? Things which work, things which are easily digested. Remember, you have 3 hours. If you're going to be waking up at 2 and your race is at 5, you do have 3 hours. It's a decent amount of time to have a meal. Probably you should avoid animal protein because you would need 4 to 5 hours to digest that. So ensure you essentially take in a snack in the morning before you go out for your race. As far as the race is concerned, make sure that you are stopping at every aid station, taking in your hydration, because temperatures can be whatever they are tomorrow. And each of you is unique in terms of the ability to sweat and lose sodium or fluid. So make sure you know how much fluid you need to take in. Different people have different requirements. If you're taking in gels, guideline is 40 to 45 minutes. You have to take a gel every 40 to 45 minutes for the duration of your race. Alright? So that's it. In case you have any specific question, very quickly, we can answer that for you. Really dark, you know that you're dehydrated. So the first thing is to hydrate. And the second thing is to take in an easily absorbed carbohydrate, which means even having a soft drink works for you. An easily absorbed carbohydrate soon after the race is recommended. Maybe a little later, some amount of protein or a proper meal. But these two things, hydration and taking in an easily absorbed carbohydrate immediately within 30 minutes of finishing the race, is an essential requirement for your recovery. Questions? I can take 1 or 2 more questions.
चलो यार पूछो, मेरे से बहुत पूछ रहे थे सब्जेक्ट।
Pacing strategy, nobody, and essentially very, very important in the full marathon. Make sure you are pacing yourself right, don't go out too fast. A good question to ask yourself at 1/3 of the race distance, like for example at the 7 kilometer mark in the half marathon or the 14 kilometer mark in the full marathon. Am I going to be able to sustain this pace or this effort level for the next 2/3 of this race? Your body will tell you the answer. If you're running too fast, you'll know your effort level, your heart rate will be high and you would need to slow down. Any errors you make in the first half of the race are going to come back to haunt you in the second half of the race. Essentially and most importantly for the full marathon runner. I'm sure if you're running your full marathon for the first time, beware that you must make sure that your only goal is to finish and cross that finish line. It is not for any goal time. A full marathon runner for the first time should not have a goal time. That's something you must repeat in your head and go by your effort level, go just to cross that finish line. All right?
So,
Excited?
yeah,
Are you all excited?
yeah.
But a little bit of
So
endurance
guys,
running is
we
good
have
because it
some
detoxifies your body up.
great guests with us. Scoring her first maiden ODI century. Welcome, Jemmy. Welcome to the Nike Run. And if only Jemmy wasn't enough to get you guys all excited, we have Mumbai's very, very own Tilak Verma.
Amchi Mumbai.
Welcome, Tilak. Welcome to the Nike Run. Guys, can we have a good round of applause? So, Tilak, Mumbai loves a couple of things. One is definitely theirs and yours 5-time IPL winning franchise and this big race. You feel the energy.
Yeah, it's really nice to have here first of all, and seeing them early morning, it's look so fresh, and I'm really happy to see everyone. Yeah, everyone having here.
या यहाँ पे सब लोग सुबह के 5:30 बजे से आए हुए हैं एंड दे आर वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट टुडेज रन और कल के रेस के लिए भी एंड दे आर इवन मोर एक्साइटेड टू हैव यू गाइस हियर.
Thank you.
आप मुंबई का बोले मैं दिल्ली से खेलती हूँ यार पर रहती बैंड्रा में.
बिल्कुल. एंड मैं खुद मुंबई से नहीं हूँ तो मुंबई के बारे में आपको बताने का मेरे पास कोई राइट नहीं है, लेकिन आप यू आर सच अ मुंबई गर्ल. You have been a part of Nike. You have been in this city for forever. So what do you feel about the spirit of Mumbai, and how do you see sports in general raising the spirit of Mumbai?
हाँ, इसके बाद सबको वड़ा पाव मिलने वाला है तो नहीं, आई एम जोकिंग. No, like you said, I've lived in Mumbai all my life. Stay right, you're just 2 minutes away from here. But just to see where the sports is developing in Mumbai, especially in Bandra, because I've been a Bandra girl from a very long time. It's great to see, and like Tilak said, just to see the dedication of just showing up. Sometimes it's not about how fast you can run or if I'm the best there. It's just about showing up, and all of you all showed up today, and I think you should give a round of applause to yourself for that.
ऐसे एज क्रिकेटर्स आप लोग रनिंग करते हो? कितना रनिंग करते हो?
एक्चुअली हम लोग का उसमें एवरी ऑल्टरनेट डे स्ट्रेंथ सेशन होता है. जब भी ऑफ डेज होता है ना, तो हम लोग का जस्ट शेड्यूल में रहते हैं, रनिंग रेगुलरली रहता है. तो एज एन एथलीट आप जब भी रन करते हो तो हमेशा बहुत फ्रेश फील होता है और अच्छा जोन में रहते हैं.
और ऐसे स्प्रिंटिंग विकेट्स के बीच में रन इन बिटवीन द विकेट या फिर पीछे जाकर एकदम स्कायर वाले कैच लेना, कौन सा ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट है?
आई वुड से
कैच लेना डिफिकल्ट है. इधर और कुछ में गलती हो जाए तो डांट तो पड़ती होगी.
वो तो होती रहती है, गेम में तो चालू रहता है वो.
जब ये आपके लिए फेवरेट रनिंग मूवमेंट इन क्रिकेट या फिर एज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर ट्रेनिंग क्या है?
Favorite running movement? I think, like you said, the running backward catches are always the most difficult because you have to turn, you have to run, you have to dive, you have to judge the ball, it keeps moving in the air too. So I think that is one of my favorites. But yeah, in general, even my game, there's a lot of running involved because you know I love to pick gaps, love to run hard between the wickets, more like a hard-working inning. So yeah, running in game.
And in your century, how much did your fitness play a part in that? You know, really achieving that goal.
It did play a lot of part because firstly we've been playing so much cricket throughout the year. So this was like the end of our season where you know the body kind of gives up because no rest, just playing matches after matches. You want to train but you can't push as hard as an off season. So yeah, just working on fitness in my off season before entering this season actually sustained me throughout this season. So it was very special also at the same time when you know sometimes we all are humans. We also don't want to wake up at 5:30 and go and run. But when you get the fruits of it later, you believe, yeah, it's absolutely worth it. So it was very special to get my
And it
maiden
was the
100.
first one. Firsts are always special.
Always special.
And amongst us here today, there are many people who will be doing their first race. So do you have kind of 2 cents for them?
Oh, I would just say one more, just enjoy it. I mean, I know sometimes running is not enjoyable, but like I said, it's all about showing up. It's all about, just getting across the line no matter what the time. Oh wow, it rhymed. So I think, yeah, I would just say just go out there. Just more than anything, I just do it for that satisfaction you feel when you cross the line. Not about the time, but just when you cross that line, you finish something, you've kept a target and you achieve it. I think there's no greater satisfaction than that, and that gives you the greatest joy.
बिल्कुल. And तिलक, आपके लिए कभी सोचा है मैराथन भागने का?
No, wow.
एक्चुअली मैंने क्रिकेट चालू करने से पहले मैं ट्रैक एंड फील्ड एथलीट था.
Wow.
तो आई वुड रियली लव टू डू एन मैराथन. But yeah, Jimmy said, I would say like whenever in the race or whenever you are in the competition, just enjoy the moment and be in the present.
Absolutely. और ऐसा कोई टीम में है जिसको एकदम रेस में हराने में मजा आ जाता है?
I would say Shreyas Iyer is quite good in previous matches. He's really quick in the field. So I would like to do a competitive run with Shreyas.
Absolutely. And you are also coming in a red hot form. We have seen those back-to-back centuries, guys. Who have seen Tilak's back-to-back centuries? How did the fitness, your running, your experience with your previous track and field, how does all of these help in making you the better athlete?
I would say मैंने जैसा पहले आपको बोला है कि मैं ऑलरेडी थोड़ा ट्रैक एंड फील्ड मैं एंजॉय करता था. ट्रैक एंड फील्ड में मैं ऑलरेडी था, तो मेरे को वो ऑलरेडी बचपन से था, तो मैं कुछ ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रा नहीं करता था. तो हमेशा जो होता है ना, जैसे स्ट्रेंथ सेशन से ज़्यादा मैं हमेशा रनिंग एंजॉय करता हूँ. तो फील्ड में भी मैं जब भी देखता हूँ तो मैं हमेशा कैप्टन को पूछता हूँ कि मैं हॉट स्पॉट्स में रहता हूँ फील्ड में. तो वो सब चीज़ मुझे कुछ प्रेशर नहीं आते उसमें. तो उसी के साथ ही साथ आप देखें तो T20 में जैसा है कि खाली 6 या 4 मारने से ज़्यादा आप अगर सिंगल ले रहे हो, 2 भागते हो ना, तो बॉलर के ऊपर और प्रेशर रहता है. तो ये सब चीज़ काफ़ी हेल्प होता है बैटिंग में. तो उसके हिसाब से मुझे अगर ये सब चीज़ कर रहा हूँ ना, तो थोड़ा कंसिस्टेंट रन करने के लिए ईजी होता है.
बिल्कुल. और ये बताइए कि इनके लिए आपके पास कोई, बिकॉज यू हैव ऑलरेडी बीन इन एग्जैक्टली दिस काइंड ऑफ अ स्पॉट, एग्जैक्टली यू बीन इन ट्रैक एंड फील्ड, आप इनको क्या बोलोगे कि व्हाट शुड दे डू टुमारो? क्योंकि टुडे इज़ अ बिग डे, राइट? लाइक कि आज उनके दिमाग में बहुत सारी चीज़ें, एंग्जाइटी है, दे आर काइंड ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर टुमारो. हाउ डू दे डील विद दिस लास्ट मोमेंट एंग्जाइटी?
ऐसा है कि हम लोग भी अगर कल कंट्री के लिए खेले तो पहले दिन से लगता है थोड़ा नर्व्स होते रहता है. तो उसको सोक करना ज़रूरी है हर किसी के लिए. एवरीवन हैज़ डिफरेंट दिस थिंग टू सोक देयर दिस थिंग बटरफ्लाइज. एवरीवन सबके लिए रहते हैं. तो हर इंसान को ज़रूरी है कि गुड स्पेस में रहने के लिए क्या है, मतलब कुछ लोग जैसे कि जेमिमा का में देखते रहे और गुड थिंग्स हमेशा बोर लगते हैं, हर दिन करने में थोड़ा बोर लगते हैं, मगर वो बहुत ज़रूरी है.